Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. By this video we are going to see how to repair the USB mouse that you are using for a long time. Usually you will be having a USB mouse for your desktops and PCs. You will be using the left click key more than that of the right click key. The left click key will worn out earlier, so you will not be able to use the USB mouse because of the left click key. So by this video I'll teach you how to replace the left click key with the idle key that is lying inside your mouse itself. Now let us see how my left click button is working. Now I am clicking on the my computer icon, but left click button is not working. I am trying to click on some other icons and it is also not working. And because of this problem we will not be using that USB mouse. So let us debug the USB mouse and give back its life again. Let's debug it. And this is the USB mouse that I have connected to my laptop, and I'm going to remove it, and let's repair the USB mouse and make it functionable again. And this is the USB mouse. You can see at the bottom of the USB mouse you will be having one star screw. So I'm using star screwdriver to remove the star screw from the USB mouse. Now you can see this is the left click button and this is the right click button of the USB mouse, and this button is the center click button on which the roller is placed. This roller is used to scroll your text documents, web pages, etc. Now I am going to remove this roller carefully. It is attached with the potentiometer of the mouse, which is used to scroll the pages. So now I have removed the mouse scroller from the mouse board. Now let us clean the USB board in order to remove the dust from the USB mouse board. While cleaning the USB board, take some precautions so that USB wires will not get disconnected from the PCB board. Now you can see where the left click button is and where the right click button is and where the center click button is, and this is nothing but your potentiometer used to scroll the text documents, and this is the sensor and it is the LED. So let us see what is there in the bottom part. It is nothing but the lens and diffuser, which is used to focus the movement of the mouse in order to sense the X and Y axis of the USB mouse. Let us move in debugging the USB mouse. And now let us replace the left click button, which I am pointing here, with the center click button. This button will be idle for the long time, so we will replace this center click button with the left click button in order to make the left click button function again. Now we need to sort out what are the solder points for the left click button and the center click button. Let us have an overview on the back side of the board. So in the back side you can see where the left click button solder points are. It is these 2 points, and you can see where the solder points of center click button, which is these 2 points. Now I am going to desolder the left click button solder points in order to remove the left click key from the USB PCB board. Now we have desoldered the left click button out of the USB PCB, and this is the left click button which has been worn out, and You can see this is the left click button place where we are going to replace the center click button key, and this is the center click button key that we are going to remove here. Here we have removed the center click button, and this is the center click button. We are going to use this center click button as a left click button for replacement. And now let's solder the button in the place of left click button where we have removed the left click button earlier. And this is the damaged left click button that we have removed earlier. I am going to solder the damaged left click button as a center click button, so that we are not going to use the center click button always. So I am just soldering the left click button for the center click button. And now you can see this is the replaced left click button with the center click button, and this is the damaged left click button. And now I am going to insert the scroller inside the pot. Take some precaution in order to insert the scroller inside this pot, because the scroller may get damaged or the pot may get damaged. So be careful while inserting the scroller inside the potentiometer. And now we have inserted the scroller inside the potentiometer. Now let's reassemble the mouse back to the normal position. Now let's connect the mouse to the laptop and check its functionality, whether it is working fine or not. The laser pointing is working fine, and let's have a look of the left click button and double click option, click and drag, everything. Let's have a check. Now let's check for double click and open the my computer icon. It is working fine. And let's open some folder, it is also working fine. And finally let's test for a click and drag option by clicking and dragging the left click key. Let's have a check. It is also working great. Thanks for watching, guys. Let us meet in another useful video. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe our channel. Thank you.